sorry I'm late. I had to make sure everything was in order before leaving. Check the stove, the lights, the lock, and then check the checks. It sounds silly when I say it out loud.
Come in, Hazel. No rush at all. You're here now, and that's what matters. Please, have a seat. So, what brings you in today?
Honestly, I'm just tired. It's like my brain never gives me a break. Every little thing turns into a checklist. Did I turn off the oven? Did I say something rude by accident? Did I lock the door? Sometimes I go back 3 times just to be sure. And when I finally leave, my mind starts again. What if you missed something? It's like this voice that won't stop whispering that I'm not safe, that I have to fix it before something terrible happens. I know it's irrational. But if I don't do it, my chest tightens, my heart races, and I feel like something bad is coming even if I can't say what.
That sounds incredibly heavy, Hazel. You're describing something called OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. It's not about being tidy or careful. It's about trying to calm fear with control.
Yeah. Everyone says, "You're so organized, Hazel," but they don't see me standing in front of the door, frozen. I'm not organizing, I'm surviving.
That's a powerful truth, and I'm really glad you said it. Let me show you what's going on inside your mind. This is the loop. A scary thought pops. Up? What if the stove's still on? That's the obsession. You check the stove to calm down. That's the compulsion. It works, but only for a few minutes. Then your brain thinks, see, that checking kept us safe. So it repeats the cycle again and again.
So I'm feeding the fear, thinking I'm fixing it.
Exactly. OCD confuses relief with safety. Technique 1, label the thought. When a what if pops up, don't argue with it. Label it. Say, that's my OCD talking. It sounds simple, but it reminds your brain that this is just a pattern, not truth.
So, like putting a little tag on it instead of wrestling with it.
Exactly. When you label it, you create distance, and distance brings peace. Technique 2, delay the ritual. When you feel that urge to check or clean, don't try to quit cold turkey. Just delay it, even 30 seconds. Every delay teaches your brain that anxiety fades on its own, without you needing to act.
That's gonna be hard. Even waiting 10 seconds makes my skin crawl.
That's perfectly fine. You're not failing. You're training. 1 minute today, 2 tomorrow. You're slowly breaking the loop. Technique 3, the uncertainty muscle. OCD hates uncertainty, but life runs on it. The goal isn't to feel certain, it's to learn you can handle not knowing. So next time the doubt hits, try saying, maybe the door's locked, maybe it's not, and I can live with that.
That sentence scares me, and also makes me feel weirdly free.
That mix, fear and freedom, means you're healing. Technique 4, compassion over control. Remember, OCD isn't about perfection, it's about fear. And fear needs comfort, not control. When anxiety shows up, say, I'm anxious right now, and that's okay. I don't have to fix it immediately.
You make it sound possible. Like maybe I can live with the noise without obeying it.
You can. You just stop treating every thought like an emergency. Technique 5, let the thought pass. Here's another one, mindfulness. When an intrusive thought comes, don't push it away. Just notice it, like watching a leaf float down a river. You don't chase it, you don't grab it. You just watch it pass.
So I don't have to fight the thought, I just don't have to follow it.
Exactly. You're the sky, Hazel. Thoughts are just clouds passing through. Technique 6, the imperfection practice. And finally, practice small mistakes on purpose, leave something slightly out of place, or skip rechecking once. You'll see nothing bad happens, and your brain starts trusting again.
That's bold. So, like, maybe I won't line up my toothbrush exactly tonight. Small chaos, right?
Exactly. Tiny chaos is powerful medicine.
For the first time, I didn't check my bag since I sat down. That's progress, right?
That's huge progress, Hazel. You faced the urge, and you chose calm over control. OCD isn't cured by fighting fear. It's healed by making peace with uncertainty. You're not broken. You're just learning to live without checking for safety you already have.
I like that. Safety I already have. Maybe next time, I'll just check the door once, or maybe not at all.
That's the spirit. And when the thoughts come back, greet them kindly, then let them go.
Thanks, Doctor. Maybe I can finally let my mind breathe without checking if it's breathing right.
OCD is not about being broken. It's about a brain that learned to protect too much. When you teach it to trust again, control fades and freedom begins.